Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the production and the factors of production. So, introduction to production. Production is an important economic activity which satisfies the wants and needs of the people. So, production is an economic activity which satisfies the human needs and wants. So production function brings out the relationship between the inputs used and the resulting output. So the production process it can be relationship between the inputs and a result from the output. A frame is an entity that combines and process resources in order to produce output that will satisfy the consumer's needs. So FM is an a so combines the it can be the process of resources used. So that will be satisfy the so production. So the consumer's needs also fulfilled. It is also introduction to the in production. So one definition given to the production. The production may be defined as the creation of resources. So the creation of utilities. So production it can be used in a the creation of utilities. So it can be uh, in a consumer's utilities. So the factors of production it can be divided into in first one capital, land, human capital, and labor. So it can be the factors of production. So first one the capital. So it can be discussed about the role of in land. So land as a factor of production. So it is also one of the factor of a in production. We, has in broad definition and it can take in many forms. So it can be taken to the many forms ranging from the agriculture land to in commercial real estate to the resources. So the land it can be ranging from the agriculture land and commercial real estates also. Uh, the resources accessible from the specific price of land. So the land it can be in a specific price of the land. It is also in land. So land it is the in which is in freely available from the nature also. So land it can be in freely available to in nature. And not only in the in surface of in soils is included, but also in other free gifts of the in nature below the in surface and above surface are included. So, for example, forest minerals, infertility of soil, water. So, it is also in freely to the in nature. So, this is also in land. So, next one the role of in labor. So the role of in labor, the work put in by an individual to bring product or services to market is referred to as a labor. So labor to do in work in a production to bring the in products or services. So it can be in market referred to the in labor. So it can in a manifest itself in variety of ways. So it can be used in a itself and it can be used further in variety of ways. The construction workers on a hotel site, for example, a part of the labor as is a invader who services visitors or receptionist who register them. So it is also the worker has a hotel. So one labor it can be work on a hotel. So it is the part of in labor. It can be waiter who serves in visitors. So it can be in receptionist who register them also. So and also labor is an a human factor of the production and so it can be included to the which if preferred in order to earn money also. The services of a carpenter, in blacksmith, weaver, teacher, layer, and actor, etc. It can be called as an in labor. So it is also included to the in labor. So next one, the role of in capital. So capital is usually used to refer to in money in economics. So it can be used in economic money. And other hand, it is not a factor of production because it is not used to directly in the creation of goods and services. So money it is also in used in production process. So it can be included in goods and services. So instead, it helps in production process by allowing the entrepreneurs. So it can be in process. It can be used in entrepreneurs also and business owners to purchase capital goods or land as well as a pay workers. So it can be in purchase of capital goods or land by using the pay of workers. So next another one is the last one is the entrepreneur. So entrepreneurship is the in secret sphere that brings all the other aspects of the production together to create a consumer products or service. So the entrepreneur like it can be in production together to create a consumers and or service. So these are involved to the in production process. So the factors of in production.